everybody, it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk and today I've got a lovely card for you. I made a whole batch of this particular card over the weekend for some of my team. I've had some new ladies join and some ladies have promoted, so I needed a card and this is the one I came up with, so I thought I'd share it. So first of all, I've cut my card base. I've used some Whisper White, 11.5 by 4 1/8, score at 5 3/4. Measurements are all on my blog as normal, the link's below, or just search scrimpingmommy.co.uk and you'll find me. So that's that. And then today I'm using, this is Tempting Turquoise. I've been promising to use more colours and I am trying. I do actually like this, it's really, really lovely, vibrant colour. So this one measures, let me just double check, 5 and 5/8 by 4. And then this is the stamping layer, which should be 5.5, yeah, by 3 7/8. Okay, so we can just quickly layer that on, the colour one, with some wet glue, if it'll come out. And I'm using one of the Sale-A-Bration sets. I have used it before, but I'm going to just use it again, and then it's probably going to be on my shelf because I've used it quite a bit now, so I might not use this one again. And I'll move on to a different stamp set. I get where I really like some and I can't stop using them. Okay, so I'm using the Amazing You, which is a beautiful stamp set. Well worth getting as one of your Sale-A-Bration choices. And we're going to use the flower today. I don't think I've used the flower yet. I've used the words but not the flowers. And I'm going to use Tempting Turquoise. Simple. Very, very easy. So if you're a new crafter and you don't have loads of colours or loads of choice, you know, just pick one main colour and you can do all of your stamping with just one colour. So I'm going to ink my flower up and I'm going to actually stamp off so it's not as bright. And I'm going to stamp there in the bottom corner to the left. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same, stamp off and do to the right, because you know me, I like things to be symmetrical where I can. Again, stamping off there, and I've just turned my stamp around and I'm just stamping just that flower there, and again I'm going to do it up here, okay, like so. Alright. And then I'm getting the word Celebrate and You, and I'm just simply going to stamp them straight on. I'm not stamping off this time, I'm doing it with the full strength, as it were, and I'm just going to stamp it there. I hope that's the right way around. Yes, it is. Oh, we're panicking, it, we're upside down then. And then the U we will just place here. Beautiful. And then what I'm going to do to have it so that everything's coordinated, I'm just going to actually put this on finish my card off first, and then I'm going to put a bow, but I'm going to make my bow coordinate, and I'm going to do it by colouring it by hand. Layer that up there. So it's just got that tiny border all the way around. Perfect. Turn it over and give it a press. There we go. That's beautiful. You can just see that colour there now. Right, so let's move those out of the way and let's get messy. Oh, you can see I've been practising. My hand's filthy. Now with the ribbon, I have done a video before that you can colour it yourself. Now you can use alcohol markers and that will dry faster and it won't print onto your hands. However, we are at the moment limited for colours. So if you want every colour range, you can use the Many Marvellous markers, which come in just about every colour we do. Okay, and you can colour the ribbon just the same. The only thing you've got to do is wait for it to dry, and bear in mind that it is water-based. So, you know, you could end up with a bit of it on your hands, but I mean, it washes off. And then you just wait for it to dry. That's the only thing you've got to do, is wait for it to dry. So I'm going to trim that off. Okay. And then I'm going to tie myself a bow. Because it is water-based, it will go on your hands. But as I say, it washes off, and once you've done your bow, if you wait for it to dry, it won't go on your card. Okay. I'm going to tie my bow. Just have to faff about with it to get it right. This is why I don't like doing bows on camera. It's a nightmare. Get it tight and then adjust it. And this satin is a slippery little sucker. But, you know, just keep faffing with it until you get it how you want it. And then I always have a look, see which way around I'd rather have it. I like it that way. So now I'm just going to trim them tails. That's one. Get off. And trim the other side. Okay, there we go. And then I would leave that to dry for a while. You know, just 10 minutes or so, just leave it to dry. I obviously don't have time for that. I haven't got time for that. I'm filming. So I'm just going to stick mine straight on. I'm using wet glue, which does dry clear. And I'm just going to layer that on the corner of my card like so. And I'm going to set that to one side, and I'm just going to leave it to dry. And that will adhere by itself. So there we go. Now that is quite a quick card to make. As you can see, I've had to make quite a few here. For new team ladies and ladies that I've promoted, they're all getting one of these. So they are super quick to make for if you need to make a batch of cards. So there you go. Hope you'll give that a try. And if you get a free Sale-A-Bration item, choose Amazing You. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.